ever near.
A mother's warmth, a father's pride, and family bonds we all reside. Up next, we have a performance that dives deep into the bonds that shape us within the family relationships.
Family is the love that binds us, the strength that lifts us, the loyalty that stands unwavering through the storms.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Let's put our hands together for our next performance, Ties That Bind.
बाघ को जन्म देने वाला बागबान, परिवार को जन्म देने वाला पिता, दोनों ही अपने खून पसीने से अपने पौधों को सींचते हैं, ना सिर्फ अपने पेड़ से, उसके साय से भी प्यार करते हैं, क्योंकि उसे उम्मीद है एक वक्त जब वो जिंदगी से थक जाएगा, यही साया उसके काम आएगा।
Oh, namaste बहन जी. I am Manish. बहन जी, what brings you here?
Oh, namaste. I am Sunita. I'm only here for 1 or 2 days. Actually, my son is out of station for some office work and nobody is there at home to take care of me. So, I am here.
बहन जी, even I am here in an old age home where my son living in a 20 malla house built by me. I spent every penny that I have to construct that house. How happy I was to see that being constructed brick by brick, layer by layer. But look at me, my son left me here and never come back. So बहन जी, who once comes here never goes back. Everybody says like this, but no one goes back.
No, my son is not like this. He will come. Surely he will come to take me.
We'll wait, Banji. Just wait and watch.
At Winnie's house.
Vinay, my son, please listen to me. Vinay, my child, please look for my chashma.
Oh Baba, what is your problem? Can't you see I am doing some office work? Why you keep pestering me all the time? Can't you take care of your things? Look for my chashma. Am I free for this? Oh Ritu, come here and look for Baba's chashma.
What do you mean by look for Baba's chashma? Can't you see I'm busy making breakfast? Baba, can't you take care of your own glasses? I'm done with you and your irritating old man.
Dadu, what happened, Dadu? Why everyone is shouting on you, Dadu? What happened?
Beta Ayush, I have been looking for my chashma. I don't know where it is. Please help me look for my chashma.
Oh, let me find it for you. Oh, Dadu, here it is.
Thank you, Ayush. God bless you, my son.
Please sit down.
Oh, this glass fell from my hand. Now Bahu will get angry with me. What is your problem, Mummy? Every now and then you keep calling me and spilling this. I am so sorry, Bahu. I didn't know what happened with me. I didn't want to trouble you. Oh, you don't want to trouble me? Yes, I don't. But these old bones of mine. Old bones of mine. Go away somewhere with your old bones.
Good evening, uncle.
Good evening, son. Where is your father? Vinay.
He is in the living room. Please come in.
Oh, अरे भाई Vinay.
अरे भाई प्रताप, what a pleasant surprise. Happy to see you, yaar.
How are you?
I am fine.
How's your life going on?
Life is just going on, yaar.
What do you mean by going on? Are you not happy?
How can I be happy with so many troubles around me? Oh, look at my father and my mother. They are always troubling us. They can't even take care of their small things.
अरे यार, they are living here with you. Why haven't you got rid of this trouble so far? Look, I have sent all my troubles away.
Sent yours away? What do you mean?
I have sent my mother to an old age home. She's happy there and I am happy here.
Oh dear, what an idea.
Uncle, what is an old age home?
Oh son, it's a happy place for all Buddhas.
Buddhas? What do you mean by Buddhas? You mean my grandparents will also go there?
Of course, dear. Your dad will now send your Dadu and Dadi there and they will both be happy. Even I have sent my mother there and I am free now. They will make good friends there.
But I am Dadu's best friend. How will my Dadu be happy without his best friend?
Okay, Vinay, I am leaving.
Hello? Hello, beta? He's not picking up the call.
She's calling her son.
Why he's not picking up my call?
She's calling her son.
Hello? Hello, beta?
Getting in, calling her son.
Hello?
After third month.
Hello?
हाँ माँ, I am busy in a meeting. I call back you again.
But beta, listen to me. I don't want to live here. I can't live here without you. Please, take me from here.
Ma, haven't you heard? I am busy. Please, it's just for a few more days.
My son is not coming. He's not coming.
बहन जी, now old age home is a home. Your son will never come back again.
No, don't say like this. One day, my son will be here. He will be here to take me away.
Oh, what happened, बहन जी? What happened to you? Could I call Dr. बहन जी?
No, I don't need any doctor. Tell me, Bhai Sahab, is there any doctor who can give medicine of loneliness? My son is not coming, and now I know he will now never come to take me. This place is going to be my home forever. Oh, Babu, I just wanted to be here because I think my time has come. I can see your dad standing on the other side, waiting for me, waiting for me.
No, बहन जी, don't say like this. Could I call Dr. बहन जी?
No, no.
I take you to doctor. Come, I take you to doctor. Come fast. Come.
At Vinay's house.
Good morning, uncle.
Good morning, son. Is your father ready for office?
Yes, he is ready. Please come in.
Oh, good morning, Vinay.
Good morning, Pratap. Good morning.
Are you ready for office? We have to leave now.
Yes, please wait. We will leave within 5 minutes, yaar. I am busy with my project. It is still left.
What happened?
Listen everyone. Your tiffins are ready. Ayush, beta, it's time for your school. Your tiffin is ready. Vinay, it's time for your office. Even your tiffin is ready. Ayush, come fast.
Coming.
Oh look, Baba, Ayush fell because of you. Always troubling all of us.
What happened, Ayush? Beta, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Beta, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Sit down.
Pratap, where is my chashma? Ayush beta, help me. Beta, give me my chashma.
What is your problem, Papa? Can't you see? I'm getting late. Why can't you take away things? Why start shouting in the morning? It's your daily drama, Papa. Have you gone blind? Are you out of your mind? God knows. When have we got rid of you? How can I take care of my studies on one hand and your problems on other hand? I think I should leave both of you two in an old age home.
Ayush, why are you speaking like this, beta? Have you learned this from your school?
No, Papa, not in school. I have learned this from you, Papa. Papa, when I fell, you immediately come ahead to hold me. This show your care and concern for me. In your childhood, when you were a child like me, did Dadu not concern about you? Did Dadu not worried about you? Did Dadi not sit by your side the whole night when you were ill?
Beta Ayush, you should not speak like this to your parents.
Dadaji, you're Papa of my Papa. So why my father doesn't obey you? Doesn't show any respect to you?
But beta, your parents are your first teachers. They are another form of God. We should respect them.
Baba, please forgive me. My mother, my father, I was wrong. I am sorry. I have done a big mistake. I thought of taking both of you to an old age home. How could I do this? How could I even think of this? I will keep apologizing until you both forgive me.
Papa, Mama, I have realized my mistake. I took you as a burden in your own house. I don't deserve your forgiveness, but please forgive us if you can.
You don't have to say this, beta. We love you and we always will.
My friend, Vinay, I was wrong, really wrong. I should not leave my mother in an old age home. But now I realized my mistake. I should go and take her back from that place.
You should, beta. You should get your mother back.
Yes, uncle, you are right. I must leave.
Go, my son.
Ma? Ma, where are you, Ma? Let's go home, Ma. I have realized my mistake. I am here. I am here to take you back. Uncle, where is my mother? I am here. I am here to take her back. Ma? Where are you, Ma?
She is no more. She asked for you many times. You didn't have the time to pick up the call. You lost your mother.
Ma? Ma, where are you, Ma? Even God will never forgive me. Ma? Why I left you here, Ma?
Get up, my son. Get up.
Ma? Where are you, Ma? Ma?
Parents are the roots of the tree of life. No matter how big the tree grows, how green it becomes, it can't remain green when it is separated from its roots. Parents who raise their family with their blood and sweat, they not only love this tree but also its shade, as they have the hope that one day when they will be near the end of their life, when they need to take rest under the shade of this tree, it will give them love, it will give them peace, it will give them care, and it will give them affection for the happiness of his children. A father spends the fruit of his labor You're the most. Thank you.